Do you know BITS is the first institute in India to have online entrance examination that is called BITSAT. Let us discuss how we can prepare at the last minute for BITSAT 2020. Let us watch the video. Let us discuss about BITSAT 2020, the total number of questions from the following subjects and total marks. We know that the total marks in BITSAT 2020 is 450 and this total marks is based on different subjects. Let us see the different subjects. We have the first subject, that is mathematics. The total number of questions for mathematics is 45, and the second one is English proficiency. The total number of questions is 15. Third one is physics. The total number of questions is 40, and the fourth one is logical reasoning. The total number of questions is 10. We have the last, that is chemistry. The total number of questions is 40. Now let us discuss about the total number of questions in mathematics, that is 45 questions. Let us see how the question is asked from various chapters. The first chapter is trigonometry, second is straight line, third is pair of straight line, fourth is vector, fifth is matrices, sixth is differentiation, and the seventh is derivatives and application. Let us see from the second year. The first chapter is circles, second is system of circles, parabola, integration and differentiation, quadratic equation, complex number, probability and probability distribution. Next is statistics, binomial distribution and permutation. From these chapters, just practice last 5 years questions and try to solve NCERT exercise problem. That will be beneficial and that will be helpful for you to get maximum marks or to score 45 questions marks from the BITSAT. Now let us put some light on physics. The total number of questions in physics, that is 40 questions. The various chapter from the first year, that is physical world, units of measurement. Third is kinematics, fourth is mechanical, fifth is oscillation, the sixth is thermodynamics, the seventh is gravitation, and the eighth one is thermal properties of matter. Let us see the chapters from second year. The first chapter from second year is waves, second is optics, the third is electrostatics, fourth is current and electricity, fifth is atoms and nuclei, sixth one is semiconductor, seventh is communication, eighth and the last one is EMI and AC. Just practice last 5 years questions from BITSAT. That will be more beneficial and helpful for you to get maximum marks. Now let us put some light on the subject, that is chemistry. We know in BITSAT they will ask 40 questions from chemistry. Let us see some chapters from the first year that are very important. The first chapter is some basic concept of chemistry, second is atomic structure, third is classification of element, fourth is chemical bonding, fifth is states of matter, sixth hydrocarbon, seventh organic chemistry, eighth is thermodynamics, ninth is environmental chemistry, 10th is redox reaction. From the second year, the first is solution and the second is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics, third one is very important, PDF blocks, fourth is biomolecules and polymers, fifth is chemistry in everyday life, sixth is organic chemistry. From this chapter, just read NCERT summary from all this chapter. Very important NCERT summary, and practice at least 5 years question from the BITSAT last year questions. Let us discuss about English proficiency subject. We know there are 15 questions will ask from English proficiency. The marks is based on reading comprehension and composition, grammar, vocabulary. Just practice 10 years paper of BITSAT. That will be more beneficial for you to get good marks. From logical reasoning, there are 10 questions. The marks is based on verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. This also you have to practice just 10 years questions from the BITSAT, and try to practice your English grammar, which you have learned in first year and second year. That will also more beneficial and helpful for you to get maximum marks. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.